Hi everyone, welcome back to our $1 million challenge. This is disciplined 1% growth system focused on risk management and consistency. So basically what we are doing here is we are starting with just $1 and trying to grow it step by step by targeting around 1% at a time, and some days we achieve it, some days we don't, and that's totally fine. That's completely part of the process. We follow strict rules to keep our time, I mean, keep our limits defined and stay consistent no matter what the bankroll we have, no matter what happened with our bankroll. Okay, and overall time we are going to diversify and scale our investments and dive into other things. And the motive behind this challenge is just trying to see if we follow the system and long term perspective we have, if the compounding really works or not. So, and yeah, this is just a personal challenge, not financially advised video. And today we are on a day 21, and we have a very good consistency over day 21 we have. So let me quickly explain the rules how we are working here. So no matter what bankroll we have, today we have a 23.24 dollar in our bankroll. Our aim is just to get a 1% profit uh, at a time, and our stop loss is a 5% of our whole bankroll. So 1.16 is our stop loss no matter what investments, what other things we are doing at a day. If we hit our stop loss, then we have to stop at a day. No matter how confident we feel, we are following the rules and we are not rushing into the things to make it more complicated. So that's these are our rules, and we are not breaking it. If we break it, then it's not good for our bankroll health. Okay, in today's 9th April 2026. So let's go, boys, and do little sessions about our risk decisions. Okay, so here we are. Last time we forget about the last time. Let's go and go did our little sessions. So we have a pretty so many things we can do. We just have to start with anything whatever we feel like. Also, this is not a affiliated things. You can do whatever you want. I just feel like this is the good what I'm saying here. Forget about it, boys. Okay, so our main goal is just to get a 1% to our bankroll, and this is not just a fix earning things. I already said this is just a personal thing we are trying here, not to luring anyone to you can make money. Actually, you are not able to make money here. You can lose all your money if you are not following the rules. We are trying to see if we follow the rules and try to stick our plan, if it works or not. If it don't work, we are also end up in despairs. But we are focusing our 1% growth challenge on discipline and risk management. So let's go and reach our little target. We have a lot of things to say in future. Okay, so I forgot to see my profit. Forget about the profit. I forgot to see our 1% growth, how much we need today. Our growth is 1%, 0.23 cents. That's a pretty good. We have numbers. Okay, so our gain, our gain and growth target is a 1%, 23 cents. We are going very little by little, not to force ourselves to do a quick things. There is nothing like these quick works. So let's do this session. Okay, there are so many strategies if we follow. Strategies like, let me tell you something. I have to use another access sheet. Okay, I will tell you in next session. So our strategy is just to wait for a streaks we can value our value our growth and where probability will work, because everything works with probability, everything follow mathematics. Okay, nice. Also, we are going with small, not going to make us over too much confident. What is happening here today? I think I mistakenly connected my mobile to my laptop. Okay, no problem. Sometimes it happens. Okay, so our goal is to see and check the probability if it really works or not. So we have and also this is not a fixed things that it will work every time. We are just following a simple strategy, because everything we have a single strategy. Like if we go with this one, like we are aiming to go with 3x with our base growth. So let's see how many times it took to get us. Okay, here we are. We get it. That's pretty good. Still we have a little growth here. Okay, it will take time no matter what happen. Okay, nice thing. Let's not to do this. Let's use March angle technique after this, if it works or not. 3, 6 cents, 12 cents, 25. Wow. And boys, this is not a good thing we are hoping to see here, because we always talk about, or we don't have to hit our stop loss, but I took a little far from here. So basically 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let's see, our stop loss is 1.16 cents, I mean $1.16, and we hit our half percent, I mean 2.5 something in our bankroll, that stop loss we set for our system growth. Okay, no problem, this is acceptable, this is totally acceptable. Sometimes it happens, not always, because as you can see here, it's not like, it looks like always looking, we are always looking our growth that we manage to somehow, but we have to focus on the things that we are not connected with. Here it is, we have to focus more steady things, not to go and do our sessions like this. We have a good session and our target reached successfully. We are stopping here. Discipline matters more than no matter what happened. Discipline is our first priority. I mean, I don't know how to say that word, but discipline is our first priority. So our profit goal is done for a day, and today is very good growth session we have. I know it's not longer, it's very small usual all of this, but it's okay. I prefer longer sessions because I don't want to end up losing our patience in order to doing some reckless things. Okay, and also we have a lot of things to say. This is just a personal challenge, not my financially advised. I already mentioned so many times. And with our sessions, I usually do a longer sessions, but my philosophy is if we going a bit longer sessions, that help us to stay patient instead of rushing and making mistakes and rushing our bankroll to going with a minus. And that's not how it works. That's not, we have to avoid these things. Okay. And what do you have to say today? Okay, boys. So we reach our 1% profit goal. I mean 1% gain for our bankroll growth. And also I'm already also re-mentioning again, this is not financial advice, this is just personal challenge focused on discipline and learning the things, if the compounding works over time or not. And do not try anything whatever we do are doing here. This is just an educational purpose video here. Also, if you have any kind of query, if you have any kind of thoughts, if you have any kind of strategies you like to share about, and you have any advice for our bankroll management, let me know in the comments. So thank you for today, boys. Bye bye for today. We are going to see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Also, boys, I forgot to mention our ending bankroll. So after our 1% growth successfully, we have to fill our Excel sheet here with our percentage gain. So our end of bankroll is 23.47 dollar we have. And also we, I forgot where we are. Let me go for it. I vaulted all the money. I don't wanna do anything. Yep. So I wanna say that we reach more than over 1%. So that is pretty good thing. We are only calculating still 1% for our bankroll. We are going to add it in our additional deposit here. In the next day, it will help us to not to reinvest anything extra. Okay. So after reinvesting $1 for our next day, we have an ending bankroll of 24.47 USD in our bankroll. We have extra funds in my wallet, so not to do anything right now. Okay, boys, thank you for today again. Bye bye. See you in next videos.